Hey, have you worked on contract management before?
Yes, I have. It can be a complex process, but it's critical to ensure successful project outcomes.
What are the essential steps in contract management?
There are 7 critical steps: contract kickoff, contract administration, change management, quality assurance, financial management, dispute resolution, and contract closeout.
That's a lot to keep track of. What's the first step?
The first step is to organize a kickoff meeting with all stakeholders to outline the contract's objectives, timelines, and responsibilities. It's also essential to establish regular communication channels to facilitate smooth collaboration between all parties involved.
What about change management?
Change management involves understanding the procedures for issuing change orders to address any alterations in the contract scope or terms. It's also crucial to develop skills in negotiating contract modifications, ensuring that changes are mutually beneficial and adhere to federal regulations.
What about quality assurance?
Quality assurance involves collaborating with the contractor to develop and implement quality control plans that ensure the deliverables meet the specified standards. It's also essential to conduct regular inspections and acceptance tests to verify the quality of the delivered goods or services.
What about financial management?
Financial management involves managing the invoicing process efficiently, ensuring timely payments and proper financial documentation. It's also crucial to keep a close eye on the budget, tracking expenditures, and making necessary adjustments to prevent overruns.
What about dispute resolution?
Dispute resolution involves developing strategies for conflict management, addressing disputes promptly and effectively to maintain a positive working relationship. It's also essential to be well-versed with the legal aspects of contract management, including the procedures for handling disputes and claims.
What's the final step?
The final step is to ensure that all final deliverables are received and meet the contract's quality standards. It's also crucial to facilitate the contract closure process, including the settlement of any outstanding issues and the formal closure of the contract.